using the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So if you're planning to buy an iPhone 11 or just curious about the features of this new iPhone, or you just want this giveaway, then this video is made just for you. This is it. So I received my iPhone 11 Pro Max from StarHub. So this is 512 gigabytes, midnight green for a change kasi siya nung bagong kulay for this iPhone. But before that, share ko lang. So September 11, Apple announced the new iPhone models, which is the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro. So pre-order will start on 13 September and the iPhones will be available on 20th September. So I managed to actually book an iPhone 11 Pro Max under StarHub, and I scheduled to deliver it on 20 September, but kailangan kong mag-fly back sa Pilipinas on 19 of September, so hindi ko siya ma-receive. So kailangan kong i-message ang StarHub and to explain the situation, and they actually allow me to reschedule it on the 26th of September 2019. So they deliver it on that day, very accurate kasi really on the exact timing dumating nung iPhone, and they do some verification and some confirmation of the purchase and the plan. So here it is, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we're going to unbox it today. So as you can see, this is the box. So we're going to open it and to see what is inside and what's new on this iPhone. So here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So kitang-kita agad yung bagong features, which is the triple camera system. So this is the 6.5 LCD display, and the lenses, which is the wide, ultra wide, and telephoto. And maganda rin ang pagkakakulay ng green kasi hindi siya yung typical na green na kulay, medyo pag-green na nga actually. So this is the volume controls, and the power on button and the SIM card location, and then the charging port and the speakers. So let's see what else are inside the box. So of course the manuals with some of the information about the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and of course the pin, pansundot ng SIM card, and the sticker. So normally the sticker and pin lang nung kinukuha ko lagi. And of course the earphones, and this is still wired, so hindi man lang ginawang wireless para masulit-sulit ang bayad. And then the charger, so medyo iba na yung charger kumpara dun sa mga nakaraang iPhone. Which is this one, because last time is it is USB. So ngayon this is already USB-C. So this is basically for fast charging. So magkaiba na rin ng port. So that means is kailangan mo nang dalahin ng adapter mo. Hindi ka na pwede makisaksak sa mga USB adapter. But I already tested still the cable for USB still working for iPhone 11 Pro Max. So maybe it's just a bit slow. Pero wala naman nakikitang difference pa. So that's all. So ito nung likod ng box ng iPhone. And ngayon ko lang napansin na medyo naka-emboss pala yung camera dun sa box. So we're going to turn on the iPhone 11 Pro Max now. So here we go. And let's say hello to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I still need to set it up, so I will be testing all the camera on my next video, so abangan nyo yun, and maybe some of the features as well. So for the meantime, i-compare natin siya dun sa iPhone XS Max, which was released last year. So same size actually, same 6.5 inch display, and exactly similar except on the very obvious na triple camera system, and maybe dun sa mga internal components. So and siguro dun sa location ng logo din, but medyo mabigat lang ng kaunti yung iPhone 11 Pro Max. So that's it. So abangan nyo nung next video kung saan itratry natin yung mga camera and some of the features of the new iPhone 11. So for our giveaway, just read the description below and follow it properly. And that's it for now. It's Eman Maid signing off.